Welcome to DeepSound. This is the DSVision Quick Start Guide. 4 steps to configure your live inspection signal. Step 1. Probe and wedge settings. Open the wizard in the right configuration menu. Select your active probe model from the list. Set the wedge model using the wizard in the same way. Step 2. Configure the ultrasonic beam. Select PA mode under Pulse Config menu. Click and open the Focal Law menu. Input the starting, stopping angles and resolution. Step 3. Gate setup and auto gain. Enable Gate A and position it over the echo signal. Place the probe on the block and click Auto Gain. Signal peak is set to 80% ASH. Setup completed. Step 4. Specimen configuration. Set the actual thickness and material type. Enable legs to display reflection boundary lines. Go to the Weld menu and turn on the Weld overlay. Select the weld type and configure geometry parameters. Set the has width to visualize the weld boundary. Finally, decrease the depth range to optimize the inspection view. Thanks for watching.